Okay, here we have two ESCs, electronic speed controller for brushless motors, and one of them is not working exactly correctly. So here's a multimeter. It is set to the diode settings. We will measure continuity, and that is continuous, so it's conducting from this one to that one. Okay, and let's measure the output, motor output, between the first and second. 130-ish ohms. Okay, first and third, 160 ohms. Second and third, 1000 and something. So that is a much higher resistance compared to the 100 and something. Okay, and the next one, which I think is good. First and second, 1000 something ohms. First and third, 1000. Second and third, also 1000 and something ohms. So this one has a much higher resistance. It's not as close to short circuit as this one, and the motor was not spinning at all with this one. It was tick 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 tick, making ticking sounds.